Hi everybody, Nia TV here. So today I'll be showing you how to make a fidget toy. It is DIY, so yeah. And it is simple dimple. So yeah, let's get started. So the first one we need to do is to cut a circle. So yeah. So we need 2 circles so it will be whole and perfect. But if you want one circle, then it's your choice. Just kind of fold it like that, so it will be easier. And as you can see, it looks like a book. So yeah. Then you need to draw a circle. Small or big, it's your choice. So I'm just gonna do big, but not. Okay, so this is my choice. So it's really hard to see. So yeah. So the next one you need to do is to cut the circle carefully and gently. Just like that. So you can do any bond paper you like. So yeah, I will choose pink. Okay. And perfect. So we finally had a 2 circles just like that. So the next one we need to do is to scotch tape it. We're just gonna tape it just like that. We're gonna tape it like that. Then I'm gonna need another tape like that. And we're gonna do that and that. So this will be slow so don't lose it. So when you're done taping it, you need to cut the sides of it like that. We're gonna cut the sides of it carefully and gently so the paper won't cut. Because if it cut, then it will not work. So yeah, we're gonna cut gently the tape. Then we're gonna do this. Okay, almost. Okay, when you're done cutting it like that, we're gonna cut the other one. We're gonna cut the other one so it will be easier. Oh my god, there's a tape in my arm. Okay, we're gonna cut this here. And that here. I don't know where to start, but maybe I'll start here. Okay, just like that, gently. Then I'll do 2 more of there. Okay, it's running a little bit. We're gonna cut. Oh my god, it almost got in the paper. Okay, let's take off the Okay, let's just put the tapes over here first. So yeah, we're gonna put the tapes. Oh my god. Okay, when you're done cutting it, it will look like this. So for the next one, you're gonna cut a middle one here. I'm gonna cut so that it will be just like this. Okay, now we're gonna cut the other one. We're gonna start right over here because there's this one is pretty long, so it will be looking like that. So when you're done doing the line, you're just gonna do you fold it like that, and it will become just like a heart, I think, like that. It will become like that, like a pigment or something. Wanna get some tape, okay? Gotta put, oh my god, it's hard a little bit to tape it, so yeah, gonna tape it just like that. Then you're gonna go over here and tape it just like that. Then for the next one, we're gonna do the other one too. Okay, we're gonna fold it just like, oh my god. Now get a tape. Oh my god, I don't know what to. Perfect. Let's put the tape right there. Then we're just gonna, okay. This one we're gonna do that just like that. Then it will become just like this. This one is kind of pointy. Oh my god, it's not working. I'm gonna cut it a little bit. One more cut. Okay, perfect. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, perfect. We're gonna get the tape, put the tape right there. Now tape it like that. We're gonna get another tape. We're gonna tape it there. And here it goes. Here it is. So check if it is working. It's kind of pointy. Oh. Okay. It is working. So it's working properly. So yeah. And we're gonna check this one. Ow. Too pointy. Okay. We're gonna check it. Okay. This is working as well. So yeah. So the next one, you're just gonna put them here. Wanna make a box, or yeah. You gotta turn your paper box. Oh, it looks like a big box. Okay. For the other one, you're just gonna put them here and just gonna put. Okay. So this is how you make your own simple dimple, I guess. I'm gonna do that and that, just in case we need it. So for the next one, we're just gonna cut it gently. Okay. Oh, by the way, everybody, please subscribe and like and hit the notification bell
2,000
so
years
you
later.
won't miss another video of mine. So guys, we're just gonna cut it like that, and oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, look at it. Just like that. Then we're just gonna put the paper right here. So as you can see, this is the box, and we're just gonna check if it fits. Oh my god, it doesn't fit. It's too small. Gonna make another one. Okay, this one is bigger. So we're just gonna make some of that. Then we're gonna cut it. Cut. Gently again. Just like that. Then for the other one. So if you can see this. Oh my gosh. Okay, perfect. Oh wait, it isn't perfect. Okay, we're gonna cut that and then perfect. Gonna put the paper here again. So as you can see, this is bigger. Okay, it fits. Perfect. it fits perfect. So over here, I'll put that there, and we're gonna cut the circles. So we're just gonna fold it and cut. Just gonna cut it, just like that. Just like we cut it. Okay, let's see. Okay. Oh my gosh, it doesn't even fit. Okay, let's see here. We're just gonna cut it just like this. Guys, I accidentally cut it. Okay, that is it. We're not gonna use the box anymore, so it will be easier. As you can see here, this is a simple dimple. So if you want to put that like that, you're just gonna get some tape, then do that, and then you're just gonna, oh my gosh, you're gonna do that, then that, and then that, and yeah, ta-da! Your very own simple dimple. So yeah. Okay, let's test this out. So it looks pretty good, I guess. 1, 2. Okay, it looks pretty cool. Oh yeah. And by the way, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. I am begging you guys. So yeah. Bye everybody.